What are you making, Luke?
Swing.
Sorry, what?
Swing.
A swing.
A swing. I love it that small. Do this one, smaller.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Mad Loud House. So we used a 18mm wood drill bit. We got everything we needed from Leroy Merlin. The wood is teak wood that was already sized, and we got nylon rope 16mm wide. We cut the rope 5 meters long. We're tasting our brand new swing. In the
Roxy, I need you to go straight.
No, Dad, you're not pushing me straight.
Okay, right.
Is it fun, Rox?
Yes.
Would you like this inside the house?
Yes. Ow.
I think it's brilliant.
Oh.
Woo! Go, go, go! Almost! Almost! Yay!
What we do
Is that fun, Calvin? Our biggest challenge was our suspended drywall ceiling. So first we started opening up the ceiling by drilling holes. Then we used a jig saw to cut the ceiling. Just to let you know, this took a lot of convincing to convince my husband to do this. We had to build a custom frame to support the swing according to our roof measurements. We had to fit it into place, and it is now resting on the roof trusses. This was probably the hardest part of the entire job. After testing the swing for about a week, we realized that the eye bolts hook was not working properly. There was too much resistance on the steel, so we changed that and got new hooks from Take-A-Lot. Our next job was to close the ceiling.
Okay, wait, let me just tighten it.
Good enough. You haven't tightened. You would let us sit on it and swing on it, and you haven't tightened it.
No, Mom, I tightened it from Mom.
Not done. Not done with that. Done tightening. Fun.
Was that fun, Luke?
Yes, I want to do it again.
So we just created an extra seat in our lounge.
Oh,
Give me 5. Or would you like your new swing in your lounge? Can I get one in my room?
can I?
Amazing, man.
Huh? Why? Mommy, please. Mommy, please. Mommy, so you hate me. I'll even pay for it.
Oh,
So
do you want to swing? Do you want to swing?
No, Carl.
I don't know if I'm
No, Carl.
Calvin!
Mom, now me.
Come, Carl!
Dad, then you.
Go, Kali.
Yes, madam. Sure.
How much fun is this?
Oh, this is cool.
Oh my word.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
First we had to make sure that it is square. As you can see here, the new hooks are in place, which is so much better because there is not as much resistance on the steel. Big job. Once the ceiling board was in, we used our fiber tape to seal the edges, and then we used Nylon and again did the whole sanding process before we painted. And here you can see our swing, our ceiling, everything is basically done. We're just waiting for it to dry properly so that we can paint the ceiling. I think it turned out pretty cool. We really enjoy the swing, and I know what a random place to have a swing, but it works for us and we are absolutely loving it. Okay, so we've now painted the ceiling. It's still wet, hoping that, you know, it's not gonna have those lines there once it's dry, because we actually struggled a bit when it came to, can you see it's still wet like the whole way around there, to sand it. It was quite hard. So let's hope that once it's dry we can put the swing on and move on. Okay, so it's starting to dry. But I do see that difference in color. The best is to wait until tomorrow morning. And there we go, our beautiful new swing in our lounge. I think it came out super nice. I just still need to find a solution for the cable ties, those black little things around the rope, but we will get there soon. Go check out our other videos, how we did this wood slat wall and how we did that beautiful wall there in the back with the corrugated plastic in bronze. We did it all DIY with the children, and we had so much fun doing it. To see more fun jobs done at home with our kids while we homeschool and teach them, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you soon. Bye.